Hi, I'm Greg and welcome to my garden. My wife and I were fortunate enough to buy this beautiful old buffalo home at the end of 2018, and since then we've been working on the gardens. So here we are out near the Hell Strip. Previously the house was surrounded by lawn and just some old foundation plantings, very large hedges that we removed and planted out the Hell Strips. Planted a bunch of perennials and trees and shrubs around the house. Added waterfalls and some artwork in the backyard. So we're really happy to be here. It's a very almost public garden because we're on the corner of Bidwell Parkway and Potomac, where the farmers market is held and the Bidwell concert series is held every week. So we meet tons of people that come over to the garden to enjoy it. We welcome them into the garden, and they stroll through and are very appreciative of the work we've done. So we're really proud of it and very happy with the way the garden's been turned out. Hundreds. I haven't really done a good job of cataloging them, but many hundreds of different kinds of trees and shrubs and perennials. And then during the spring we have Tulipalooza, where we've got almost 4,000 tulips blooming throughout the Hell Strips that people really appreciate too.